Hi, I want to make a short video on lab 8.1.7. So let me start it. This is working with user accounts. All right, so it says to go into the Corp DC to create the user accounts in the domain. So let's go in there, make that as big as possible. Then we want to use the tool called Active Directory Users and Computers. And we want to create one user, Juan Suarez, and the marketing manager, Susan Smith, and the permanent sales manager, Mark Burns, and the sales manager, then Bori Chan, and the temporary sales employee. So if we expand our CorpNet local, we'll see the different organizational units. So here's the marketing, and then we want the marketing manager. So if we come in here, we can click on a new user right here, and this is going to be Juan Suarez, and then it says to use the first initial and the last name for the user account. So J Suarez at CorpNet, and then the password we want to use is this 1234 ABCD $. So I just selected that and then it copied it. And it says use a username, must change password and next logon. All right, and then that's the only one in the marketing OU. Now let's go to the sales OU, and Susan Smith is in the sales managers. Oh no, she's in the permanent sales employees, which is the perm sales. Let's right click. We can also, instead of hitting the new there, you can right click and then do new user. Susan Smith, S. Smith. The password is still selected in my clipboard. Finish. And then Mark Burns is in the managers. And then finally, in the temp sales, we're going to put a new user called Bori Chan. New user. Okay, so that's the usernames. So we took care of this part. Now we want to configure this bottom part. So configure the following for the temporary sales employee. So to do that, we can right click on Bori because he's the sales temporary properties. And then if we go to the account, you see the login hours here. So first thing, let's just hit login denied because that will delete everything. Then it says to make him his logon available from 8 until 5. So 5 is right there, Monday through Friday. So that's 8 a.m. to 5, and then that's when it will be permitted. All right, and then hit OK. And then it says the next thing, the last thing is make his account expire at the end of this year. So we just go over to December 31st, and we can hit apply and OK. And that should give us a good score on this lab. All right, so hopefully that gets you going, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.